Hi friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter. You must have also faced this problem. Whenever you open Chrome, it does not open. It crashes again and again. So in today's video, we are going to solve this problem. Let's start the video. First of all, go to the menu bar of Windows and search for File Explorer. Now click on this PC, and then we need to go to this C drive. Here we will go to Program Files, and then we will scroll down and search for Google. Then we need to click on this Chrome and then Applications, and here you will have Chrome application. By right-clicking on it, we have to rename it from Chrome 1. Once you have changed Chrome 1 to Chrome 1, then right-click on it and click on Show More Options, and then you create a shortcut. You have to click on Send to and Desktop Create Shortcut. Now go to Shortcut and open Google Chrome. It will open after that. Restart your computer and then try to open your Google Chrome. It will open easily. If you like the video, then like and share it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.